Watch that bait, Ali.
He's just freaky deaky, Rush. They both are.
A lot of nervous baits today, just not a lot of commitments yet.
A day of fishing or several day of fishing is always about overcoming challenges.
I mean, 3 hours, 4 hours of slow trolling.
This is gonna go on your Yelp review.
Oh God.
You know, our plans for this trip were pretty ambitious, honestly. And a lot of times we put in the time, we can make it work.
We gave it a valiant effort, buddy. It is a pretty sunset. I'm glad I can show you that.
You wanna take pictures of it? I don't think the risk is worth the reward to go put in another day of walking those baits around, you know.
Let's go catch a bunch of muttons and grouper, and
We gotta switch gears and let's go catch some fish. There's always one thing we can fall back on: good old Key West bottom fishing.
we'll look for some ballyhoo on some of these patch reefs and go have a great day of bottom fishing.
So the ballyhoo will come to the chum,
Yeah, they'll come right to the chum.
and then you throw the cast net on them in 30 feet of water. When you talk about having a lot of options when you fish in the Keys, it's not just the species of fish or the seasons.
You know, we've been to plan A, plan B, now plan C.
Here, Captain Rutch.
Oh, I got a little one. Bottom fishing down here, I would say, is world class.
It's world class. Assemble the best plan that you can, adjust, overcome, and have
Oh,
fun.
double. It's like a Cinderella story.
The way things are going.
Ended on a high note. Oh,
Ooh.
was the right one. Isn't that a shame?
We're no longer friends.
You picked this one up for me, my elbow hurt.